Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the H-Rom Note 20 port for the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro. Now let's check out the Android version of this ROM. As you can see, the device is named as the Galaxy Note 20 and the Android version of this ROM is Android 10. And this ROM is based on One UI 2.5. Now let's check out the other features of this ROM. This ROM comes with the edge panels that are ported from the Galaxy Note 20. You've got the apps edge panel, the compass, tally counter, torch, surface level, ruler, and here you've got the people's edge panel where you can add your favorite contacts. You can also go ahead into settings and add as many as panels you want to your edge panel. You can also reorder them from here and you can also customize them from here. Now let's check out the camera of this ROM. The camera is completely bugless and does not have any bugs. All the modes are working fine on this ROM. As you can see, everything is working fine. This ROM is completely de-bloated and does not have any bloatware installed on it. This ROM comes with the live wallpapers that are ported from the Galaxy Note 20. Now let's check these out. As you can see, we've got all the live wallpapers from the Galaxy Note 20. Now let me just apply one of these and show you. Now let me just set this on my lock screen. Now as you can see, we've got these cool wallpapers from the Galaxy Note 20. There are two main bugs on this ROM. That is, you can't use the face recognition on this ROM. As you can see, it gives you many glitches, and then the radio app on this ROM does not work. Fingerprint is working fine on this ROM. Now let me just show you. As you can see, it's very quick and without any glitches. You've also got some of these features like Dolby Atmos, Music Share, Quick Share and NFC. This ROM also comes with the always on display. As you can see, this is the always on display. And the other great feature of this ROM is you can unlock the device without having to press the power button. Now let's move on towards the installation of this ROM. Power off your device and boot into recovery. Once your device completely turns off, press the power button, the volume up button and the home key at the same time. This will take you to the recovery. Now once you are into your recovery, go to the wipe option and wipe Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data and internal storage. Swipe to wipe. Once you're done with this step, you can go ahead and install the ROM. Go to the location where you've saved the files which you downloaded from the description below and first flash the create vendor file. Once you've done that, flash the ROM zip. Now as you can see, the installation of the ROM is completed. Now at last, flash the Magisk debug zip. Once you are done installing this, you are good to go. Just go back and reboot your device. The first boot up may take up to 10 to 15 minutes, so do not disturb the process. Now that my device is booted up, let me just quickly complete the setup. And now we've successfully installed the ROM. Thank you for watching the video guys. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Now as you can see, I have successfully installed the ROM. Thank you for watching my video guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.